So what is deflation and why does it matter? At the simplest level, deflation is where, on average, prices in the economy are persistently falling. It is the opposite of inflation. Inflation is where prices are generally rising. But surely prices falling is a good thing, right? It means we can buy more stuff with the same amount of money. Wrong. It might be good for us individually in the short term, but in the longer term, it's bad news, and here's why. But before we do that, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It not only helps me, but also makes it easier for others to find this video too by improving my YouTube rankings. Thank you. So let's think through what deflation means with a simple example. Imagine you want to purchase a new computer, a computer that normally costs $1,000. Now, if you see that the price has fallen to $950, then you may hurry out and buy before the price goes back up to $1,000. In this way, a little bit of temporary deflation has encouraged you to spend more. However, imagine a slightly different scenario. The price of the computer has fallen from $1,000 to $950, but rather than thinking you need to rush out and buy before the price goes back up, you expect the price to fall further to $900. What would you do? Well, you'd probably decide to wait. And why not? Now, waiting might be good for you, but let's think about the impact on the whole economy. If there is deflation and on average prices are falling across the economy, then it's not just you that's delaying spending. People everywhere are doing it in the expectation that by waiting they can get a better deal. The result? Total consumer spending across the economy falls. Falling consumer demand further increases the pressure on prices to fall even further. For businesses, fewer items being bought at lower prices means company profits fall. Lower demand and lower profits mean lower demand for labour, which means unemployment starts to rise. With profits falling and fewer people in work, household incomes across the whole economy start to fall. Lower household income means less money for consumer spending, leading to further downward pressure on prices. And so it goes on and on and on. A vicious circle of falling prices and rising unemployment. This is a deflationary spiral, and this is why deflation is so dangerous. So, we've seen that deflation is where, on average, prices in the economy are persistently falling. Although a small, temporary fall in prices may encourage spending, if people start to expect further price falls, then deflation starts to discourage consumer spending as people wait for a better deal. This, in turn, leads to further deflation and an economic recession, or worse, depression. And it is because of this that governments and economists will always prefer a little bit of inflation to deflation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.